Now we're ready to add our next question. So I go over and I can click Add, New Question, and I get my dialog box. And I'd like to add a gap fill question. So if we come down to the gap fill, I select it, and you might notice that these little square brackets next to it. Just remember that for later. I'll add the question, and it's going to be a question about the types of question available in Moodle, and so I put that in there. I haven't put the answers because there are multiple answers to a gap fill, so it won't be very useful. Next comes my question text, and I'll just insert the whole thing. There are many types of question available to put in a quiz. For example, multiple choice, true or false, and gap fill. We have to indicate which words are going to be the gap fill, and we do that by putting square brackets around them. Open square brackets, close square brackets around multiple, true or we'll do false, shall we? Close square brackets, open square brackets, and gap fill, open, close. Now each of the words that's going to be my gap has these square brackets around them. As well as the words choice, false, and gap, I want to have a distracting word like banana, and I'll ignore the feedback, I'll ignore the other options, and we'll just save changes. It takes me back to the question bank, and we can preview. In my preview window, just make sure that everything works right. Multiple choice, true or false, and fill. And if I put the wrong answer in there, I should get it corrected by Moodle. And that looks right. That means we've set up the question correctly, and we can close that preview.